But today we're going to focus on the most unique and interesting food experiences you should have when you visit.
And we'll start with something very California, very American. In and out burger.
Oh, yes, if you visit California and you don't try In N Out Burger, I will be personally disappointed.
Ha. In and Out is a fast food burger chain that means a restaurant with multiple locations that serves food quickly. But it's not your average fast food. The burgers are made fresh, never frozen. The fries are made from real potatoes cut right in the restaurant.
And here's the fun part: In N Out has a secret menu. A secret menu is a list of food items that the restaurant will make for you, but they are not written on the regular menu. You have to know about them to order them.
The most famous secret menu item is called Animal Style. When you order Animal Style, your burger comes with the meat cooked in mustard, plus grilled onions, which are cooked onions, and extra sauce. It's incredibly delicious. Just say Animal Style when you order, and the workers will know exactly what you mean.
I love the secret menu concept. It makes you feel like you belong, like you know the secret.